So we got a Harbor Breeze Armitage 42-inch in here. I'm gonna turn it on. I think this is it here. Yes, it is. Light doesn't come on. I don't even know if the light works on this or if it's burnt out.
Switch, see if the light goes?
You need to pull the chain. No, there's a light symbol. Look, that one right there. Yep. Works good, but it's on medium or high. So yeah, but.
You want to hit the other switch to see if it goes faster?
Yeah. I think this is low or medium. It's medium, so low maybe is next. Oh yeah, that's low. So, yeah, but
It's off now.
that's off now. I wanted to see low, so.
What do you want, low?
High, medium, low. All right, now here's low. And yeah, so I want the light off now on the fan. All right, well, I better put it back on the setting that they had it on, which was high.
Yeah, so why don't I do that for you?
All right.
It's on low. And then we'll flick it off.
Flick it off. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching.